feel good. This isn't good. Okay, buddy. I wonder why it's not working. I hope lightning didn't hit it last night. We did have a strong thunderstorm last night. I guess this one's not feeling good. Talk about a major fail. Sorry about that, guys. Poor little siren. I hope it didn't get hit by lightning last night. That would suck. That's our only siren for up here. Oh, that was the popo. That was the popo. Well, sorry about that, guys. Well, I guess we'll head back to the house. Bummer. Major bummer. Well, that sucks. I'm sorry, guys. Talk about an epic fail. Only got 1 out of 3. I'm sorry. Now y'all, walk y'all home. Sorry about that. That's a bummer. That's a bummer that the siren didn't work. Now we won't know till next month if it's fixed. Gotta wait for next month's test. I don't know if I'll stream that one or not. Just depends on the weather conditions.